Yeah. So pretty keen to get over to NZ. Yeah, we're basically just pulling this stupid tree up. We have new neighbours on this side, and we got rid of another tree that was the same. The old neighbours weren't keen to get rid of it. And I've also got another what's cooking good looking going on now. Got some pork on the barbie. I'm going to show you guys quickly and then we'll come back and see what's going on here. But it's afternoon. I've been trying to get my Motorsport Australia, or trying to get Motorsport Australia to sort out my Trans-Tasman license, which still hasn't happened yet. And I fly out tomorrow. I got to leave to the airport early, go get a test, you know, because you got to get a test to travel anywhere now. Obviously, hopefully that's all clear. I'm healthy as I'm completely fine, so that should be all good. But yeah, we've got to get that done as well. So anyway, over here I've got my gas side and my coal side going. I've got the offset going. We're up to nearly 100 degrees. I've only just put that on, but I've actually had this cooker on with so I've got them in there 200 degrees to try and basically get the crackle going, and that's why I use the gas side to get started, because it's kind of not hard, but getting the coal side up to 200 takes too long. So we'll get back to that later in the video, but let's go get this tree down first. Not much of a car vlog today, guys, I apologize for that, but everything's been concentrating on getting everything ready for New Zealand. There's a lot going on. Good route. This is some special gardening with the Suzuki. The little digger didn't have the power for it, so bringing in the Zook. I don't know. Top.
I went black.
Yeah, that's all right.
It's done that. Right.
Works better than your machine.
Yep.
All right, any of your tree removal needs, hit me up. I'll come up with a Zook and I'll run over your tree. All right, let's see this situation. Woo, that is good. So I'm going to take it off the gas side now and get it over onto the coal side. Get that smoky flavour through it. Don't let the pool fool you. Super, well not super, it's not cold, it's like 22 degrees centigrade. So plenty warm here at the moment, but definitely not warm enough to be in a freaking swimming pool. All right, let's see what's happening out the front here. Again with this tree. Again, weird vlog for me, guys. Normally it's all car stuff, but this is what I'm up to today. Figure I want to show you guys what a non-car day looks like for me. Well, it ended up being a car day because I ran over a freaking tree with my four drive. So much room for activities now. So much room for activities now.
What's that, bro?
So much room for activities now.
Get cuddles with Chi-Chi.
Hopefully this little spiky tree doesn't get mad it's out in the sun now. It shouldn't. It's a cacti thing. I don't know.
Can I show you? See this? It's a big tree root. We need to dig it out. I don't think she's going to do it. He's better with a bowl of sand. He can't hurt it. As long as he doesn't drive the teeth into that, he won't hurt it. My mind. Oh, you might fall over, mate.
Go in there, bro. All right, we're back home now, folks. What's cooking good looking with Tiana? What are we cooking?
Roast.
The roast has kind of been cooked.
We're trying to make it crackle.
Yeah, fuck, yeah.
And then veggies, which aren't crispin.
Aren't crispin?
No.
First time ever we're trying to use our air fryer function on our oven, which is an interesting new thing for us. But anyway, listening to good music, got friends over, having a drink. New Zealand tomorrow. Like I said, it's not my normal vlog, but this is what I've been up to today. Don't know what to tell you.
Yum.
All right, guys, on to the next day. We are at the Brisbane airport, gone through, got stupid tests done. Worst part is literally Monday, they stopped testing to New Zealand. So that means for my other trips coming up, I won't need to actually test for, it's just obviously, I don't know, it's all coming out, you know? So, I don't know, which nurse did you get? We got Ben. Ben's obviously coming on this trip. What nurse did you get? I got a nurse that was like full blown, like against everything.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, she's not happy. Like even her job, she's like not happy that she has to do it. She's like, these aren't even real tests. It's like, this is all rubbish and blah, blah, blah. So
yeah, you got the anti. No, I didn't realise there's so many around. I walked in the first one, then realised there's like 10 of them.
Yeah. Yeah, well, they'll all be out of business soon because they're going to stop testing before we get on the plane. So that's good news because, yeah, that's the second time I've had to do one of those tests and they are unbelievably bad. If I did a job where I had to test every day, I'd quit. Yeah. 100% I would quit. So, yeah. Anyway, waiting for our flight. Huh?
Declaration.
Oh, yeah, I got to do all that. Oh, well, I've done most of it. I've just got to somehow put in the
submitted,
test thing. Which that probably won't even be a thing next week.
No, probably not.
Unbelievable. Anyway, getting our flight to New Zealand in a couple of hours. We both got here extra early just to make sure we got results and did all that sort of stuff. So we can't even check in yet. It's good. Alright guys, we made it through obviously after a bunch of crap. We got it all done. Here editing this video that you guys are watching right now. There's a little bit more to go on it, but I think, I don't know, I'm pretty psyched up for tomorrow. Tomorrow we start off with a practice day. Ben, we start off with a practice day first.
I think it's tomorrow.
So we've got a full practice day. I'm going to be not only testing the car that I'm driving this weekend, but I'm also going to be testing a R32 Skyline, which I'm probably going to be using for the next round, possibly, because it's a smaller layout. and more of a beater car, and there's an event basically. There's not only the D1NZ round, but there's also a Cash Kings event, big cash money prize, and I'm kind of thinking we're going to use the 32 because it can be a fair bit more YOLO with the 32 apparently. That's
Pretty much.
That's James's analogy. I don't even know. That's James's view of it anyway. James is the guy that owns the cars and runs the team. So I don't know if he wants me to use a 32 for D1NZ and the Cash King side of things, or we're just keeping the 32 for the Cash King sides of things. But who knows? I'm really excited for this trip, guys. Tune in tomorrow. We'll have the update on how practice went and everything else. And yeah, hope you still enjoyed this vlog. Wasn't car stuff. Oh, I guess it was. I ran over a tree. But yeah, that's what I had to get done. Lots of other stuff behind the scenes. But yeah, we're off to NZ. Next time you see me, I'll be on the track in... Where are we going? Manfield. All right, see you guys there. Peace out. Thanks for watching.